If you think dinosaurs ended with an asteroid, this video will prove how they became birds and the 3 secrets behind it. Stay to the end. I'll reveal 3 secrets most popular books don't explain about the dinosaur-to-bird transformation. Problem: we treat feathers only as wings. Without context, you miss the real story: exaptation, specialized skeleton and airflow, and gradual miniaturization. Ignore this now, and you'll swallow myths. Birds aren't dinosaurs, or flight appeared from nowhere, leading to confusion and pointless arguments. Here's the method. 3 secrets. 1. Feathers before flight. 2. Skeleton and high-energy breathing. 3. Theropod miniaturization. Evidence: Archaeopteryx, Microraptor, Anchiornis show feathers. Furcula and pneumatic bones appear early. Lineages shrink before fully powered flight. Step 1. Memorize POM, plumage, oxygen flow/skeleton, miniaturization. When you see a fossil diagram, tick each item and link it to function. Step 2. Compare Microraptor, Archaeopteryx, Confuciusornis,